Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've landed on this video, I'm guessing you're curious about monetizing your video watching habits. And honestly, who could blame you? The year is 2024 and the digital realm has given us countless avenues to earn a bit while indulging in our favorite pastimes. If you're all about movies, series, YouTube clips, or any form of video content, stay tuned. We're delving into genuine ways to capitalize on your viewing time. Let's get one thing clear right off the bat. While this might sound like easy money, it's not about making millions overnight. It's about that sweet side hustle, a bit of pocket change for something you do anyway. Video review platforms. Ever think about how new age businesses thrive on feedback? Well, they're often willing to pay for it. There's a whole array of platforms out there that revolve around video reviews. The idea is straightforward. You register, watch, share your thoughts, and then the cash flows in. Some might have a set rate per review, while others could vary depending on the duration or intricacies of the video in question. The more detailed and insightful your critique, the higher you stand to earn. Streaming platforms and feedback surveys. It's not just about Netflix and chill anymore. Streaming platforms are on the hunt for audience reactions to their latest content. In their quest, they often pair up with survey companies. This duo offers viewers a chance to watch and then share their thoughts via surveys. Your rewards can range from gift cards and special discounts to straightforward cash. Mobile apps with ad watching features. Mobile apps have made a substantial mark in this realm. A plethora of them now pay users just to watch ads. Most ads you come across are pretty short-lived, lingering between 15 seconds to maybe a minute. Every ad you watch adds points to your bag. Over time, you can redeem these points for money, gift cards, or other enticing rewards. Diving into video game streams. The world of gaming has exploded in ways we never imagined a decade ago. Watching others play, once an alien concept, is now a widely accepted form of entertainment. Platforms now incentivize viewership. Engaging with streams, be it through likes, shares, or comments, can have a monetary side to it. Jumping on the video competition bandwagon. Steering a bit off the conventional path, but this one's intriguing. There are platforms where creators pit their videos against each other, fighting for the top spot. And guess who decides the winners? The audience. By merely casting your vote or actively engaging, you could potentially win money or other goodies. Now, a few nuggets of wisdom before you dive in. Research is gold. Don't dive in blind. Always scout the platform or app thoroughly before you commit. User reviews and testimonials can be your guiding light. Consistency is more than just a word. Think of it as any side gig. The more time and effort you put in, the more you get out of it. Diversify your portfolio. Relying on just one method isn't wise. Spread out, experiment, and see what fetches you the best returns. Stay ahead of the curve. Digital trends shift quickly. Keep your ear to the ground and stay updated with new methods or platforms to maximize your gains. Affiliate marketing through video content. You're probably familiar with affiliate marketing in the blogging world, but did you know it's making waves in the video content realm too? It's simple. You watch product-related videos or tutorials, share them on your platform, and add an affiliate link. Every time someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Sponsored video views. Brands are always looking for ways to boost their reach, and what better way than to have real people watch and engage with their content. Some platforms connect users with brands willing to pay for video views, likes, and comments. It's like influencer marketing, but on a smaller scale and without the need for a massive following. Video curation and playlisting. Think of yourself as someone with a keen eye for great content. Platforms exist where you can create playlists of videos, curate collections, or even just suggest top picks. As your playlist gains traction and views, you earn. It's a great way for those who love organizing and curating to make some money. Online video tutorials and courses. While this isn't exactly watching videos in the traditional sense, it's closely related. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and others offer affiliate programs. You can take a course, review it, and then promote it. For every person who signs up based on your recommendation, you get a cut. Transcription and subtitling services. This might require a bit more effort, but it's lucrative. Many companies need videos transcribed or subtitled, especially as content becomes more global. If you're a fast typist and have a good ear, you can earn by transcribing videos or creating subtitles for them. As you dive into these opportunities, always remember, network and collaborate. The online world thrives on connections. Engage with others in the community, collaborate, and you might stumble upon even more opportunities. Track your earnings, especially when juggling multiple platforms or methods. Keeping tabs on what's coming in can help you understand which avenues are the most fruitful. Stay vigilant against scams. With growth comes the inevitable rise of scam platforms. Always double-check the legitimacy of any platform before diving in with personal information. The digital realm of 2024 has truly amplified the concept of turning passion into profit. Watching videos and getting paid might have seemed like a distant dream a decade ago, but it's a reality now. And it's not just about the money, it's about the community, the learning, the engagement, and most of all, the fun of it. But as with any endeavor in the online world, there's a balance to strike. It's essential to stay informed, be cautious, and prioritize your well-being. Remember, while it's tempting to chase every opportunity, quality often trumps quantity. Engage with video review platforms. Collaborate with streaming platforms and provide feedback. Use mobile apps with ad-watching features. Dive into the gaming streams universe. Participate in video competitions. Venture into affiliate marketing with videos. Embrace sponsored video views. Curate and create video playlists. Promote online courses and tutorials. Offer transcription and subtitling services. The digital landscape is vast, and these are just the tip of the iceberg. I encourage all of you to keep exploring, stay curious, and be strategic. And while the allure of monetary gains is potent, never forget the primary reason most of us turn to videos: entertainment, relaxation, and at times, education. So as you go on this journey, relish every moment, every view, every cent earned, and most importantly, every piece of content that brings joy. And who knows, maybe the next viral video sensation or the most insightful video reviewer could be one of you. As we find ourselves navigating this revolutionary digital era, we're constantly reminded of how the internet has transformed our lives, not just in the way we consume content, but in the incredible possibilities it has opened up for us to monetize our passions. The realm of making money by watching videos is just a small fragment of this massive digital mosaic. It's fascinating to imagine where we'll be a few years down the line. Will there be new platforms that eclipse the ones we know today? Will the concept of earning by viewing evolve into something even more intricate and rewarding? Only time will tell. But for now, equipped with the knowledge you have, you're in a prime position to capitalize on the present opportunity. And here's one last piece of advice. Always ensure that your digital endeavors align with your interests and values. The most successful online ventures often stem from a genuine passion and interest, rather than just the allure of profit. To everyone watching, let's toast to the boundless potential of the internet, to the myriad ways it allows us to create, engage, learn, and earn. Dive in, explore, and let your digital journey be as enriching as it is lucrative. And remember, in this vast online universe, there's a space for everyone. Find yours and thrive. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this helpful, please drop a like, share, and subscribe. Here's to making the most of our digital age. Until next time, happy watching and earning.